Went on for 3.5 hours, and I think I know why. Katanji makes Kamala sound like Shakespeare.
So, to the extent that you have an individual who says what is happening in this law is that it is treating someone who is transgender, but who does not have, because of the medical interventions and the things that have been done, who does not have the same threat to physical competition and safety and all of the reasons that the state puts forward, that's actually a different class, says this individual. So you're not treating the class the same, and you're not, how do you respond to that?
Well, no wonder the Supreme Court added socket protectors so no one can put their fingers in them.